All right, it's time to fold an origami seal out of a dollar bill, or in this case, a hacky bill. Pick this thing up and let's fold X's out of the corner. So let's go to that corner right there, down. Make sure that's lined up. Fold it down. And then open it up and do the other way. Okay, let's open that up. We're going to fold this part down to the midline and up to that corner right there. Perfect. And we don't need to fold it all the way as long as it lines up at least to that point right there. And then we're going to fold this part back in here. It meets the midline. It goes up to this point. Make sure that point is nice and good. Good point right there. And again, just like that far is all we need to do. And then we're going to take this part and we're going to fold it back on itself. So this point right here goes to that point up there. So if you want to pre-fold that, that works. Just make sure it comes to that nice point right up there. Comes to that point down there. And then we fold it back. Just make sure this part tucks in like that. And it's going to line up nicely, or it should line up nicely like that. So, and then we crunch it all down, make sure it all fits good together. Okay, so then we're gonna do the other side. Same thing, let's first fold the X. So, point up to there. Down like that, perfect. And then we do the other way. This one right to here. And up to that point right there. Good. Great. And then we're going to take this corner right here and do the same thing we did the other side, just mirroring it. So it goes like that. And again, where that comes together is all we're going to need to do. And this same thing this way, up to that point. Make sure it comes to a nice point. And it comes together like that. Just to there. Perfect. And we're going to roll it back again. So again, you could take this side if you want and do a pre-fold so it goes up to that point right there nicely. Down to there. And we're going to do it the other way. Right. Just make that go a little bit nicer to there. Great. Okay, so let's take, let's do the same, this part too. We'll fold this back like this. And we take this part and fold it back up, just like that. Okay. And do the same thing with the other side. We're gonna fold it down like that. And put this part up like that. And make sure it comes nice. And that way. All right, so far so good. Then we'll take this and fold it in half. Just like that. Take this part right here. We're gonna fold it down like that, 45-degree angle. And we're gonna do it again, fold it in upon itself. So it goes like that. And we're gonna take this part right here and we're gonna fold it into here. So we open it up and then we're gonna tuck it inside. So it just goes like that and tucks in there. Okay? And that comes down on top. It's all tucked in there. All right, so far so good. Okay, go. Let's take this part and take half of it, and we're gonna fold this up to start making the seal head. So it just pinches together like that, basically. All right, and we're gonna take another chunk of it, open it up again, and we're gonna fold it down. Make sure when you open it up, make sure you get a good angle on it, like the part angles right, so that it comes down like that. All right. And then pinch the nose up. Just a little bit. That's all you need. There's the head. All right. Let's see the first offend here. So we fold this one. I'm going to be opening it up basically when you fold it down. So it comes down and opens up on itself. So it basically just goes like that. Just like that. Let's do the same thing the other side. Open it up. Flare it out. Pinch it on itself. Make sure they kind of line up like that. A little floppy. And then take one of these feet. You can do a little bit of an angle thing, like however you pinch it, and then I'm going to open it up. And flare it open that way. The same thing with the other side. And we take it, open up, and then just mirror the other side. So, you know, you basically grab both of them and push them down so they're both kind of similar. And there it is. Origami seal. Fold your brain to shape at craniogami.org.